Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Muhammad Zafar Qureshi and you are watching the Pet channel. Viewers, the topic of my today video is the vaccination schedule for dogs, including puppies. First of all, let me thanks to all those my friends who are suggesting me different type of topics through comments. Viewers, in this video, I will discuss with you that whether dogs need vaccination or not, and if they need vaccination, then what are the common viral fatal diseases against which the dogs needs to be protected. Along with the vaccination schedule, I will also discuss the signs and symptoms of various viral diseases with you, so that if you are a pet lover, if you are a pet owner, or if you are a vet, so you can recognize the disease. Before proceeding forward, viewers, if you have not subscribed my channel, so please first of all subscribe my channel and click the bell icon so that you can get latest updates. Viewers, so the question is that whether the dog needs vaccination. So answer is a big yes. Prevention is better than cure. It is better to prevent your dogs against various fatal viral diseases through vaccination rather than to provide them painful treatment. Now, with the help of different pictures, I will discuss with you that what are the most common viral diseases of dogs, what are their signs and symptoms, and then with the help of chart, I will describe you the whole vaccination schedule for dogs and for puppies. So be with me, watch the whole video and get informed about the most common viral fatal diseases of dogs, their signs and the whole vaccination schedule.
Dogs needs protection against canine distemper, hepatitis, parvovirus, parainfluenza, leptospirosis, rabies. Canine distemper. Signs include fever, clear nasal discharge, purulent eye discharge, lethargy, anorexia, coughing, vomiting, diarrhea. Canine infectious hepatitis. Signs of canine infectious hepatitis includes fever, anorexia, conjunctivitis, swollen head, neck or trunk area, discharge from eyes and nose, enlarged tonsil. Canine parvovirus. Signs of canine parvovirus include fever, vomiting, bloody diarrhea, anorexia, lethargy, loss of weight. Canine parainfluenza. It is also called as kennel cough. Signs include persistent cough, fever, nasal discharge, sneezing, eye inflammation, loss of appetite. Canine leptospirosis. Signs of canine leptospirosis include fever, shivering, reluctance to move, increased urination, vomiting, anorexia, eye inflammation. Rabies. Signs of rabies include marked change in behavior, foaming at mouth, dropping of saliva from mouth, incoordination, paralysis of hindquarter, and sudden death. Now viewers, we will discuss the vaccination schedule for puppies. Puppies must be dewormed at the age of 5th week, then at 6th week. First shot for canine parvovirus must be given at the age of 8 weeks. Second shot for canine parvovirus must be given at the age of 9th week. DHPP plus LR first shot must be given, then at the age of 12th week. DHPP plus LR second shot must be given, then at the age of 1 year. DHPP plus LR booster dose must be given to the puppies. DHPP stands for distemper, hepatitis, parainfluenza, parvovirus, leptospirosis and rabies. Vaccination schedule for adult dogs. At day 0, adult dogs must be dewormed. At day 7, first shot for DHPP plus LR must be given. At day 21, second shot for DHPP plus LR must be given. Then annually booster dose of DHPP plus LR must be given to the adult dogs.
Friends, I hope you like the video and now you are aware about the most common signs and symptoms of viral disease of dogs and the whole vaccination schedule. If you like the video, so please, I will again say that please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon and also click the like button. Thank you very much for watching the video.